So I'm going to go ahead and show you this new design, but if you're not familiar with who I am Jessica, and I run Jess Company. It is a lifestyle brand, and I have JessDesigned, where I design custom fabrics and prints and clothing, and then I also help run our family farm at Beauchamp Family Farm. So you can find more information on the description here or going into the About section. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you this new print that I just designed, and it is to be released for the summer. It is a DIY hand towel sewing project, essentially. It is great for a very simple, easy start. Simple straight stitch sewing project. It really requires very minimal skills. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. So here is my spoonflower fabric print. So I designed these and created a template, and in providing instructions on how to create this DIY hand towel set. So hopefully you can see all of that. You can see there's directions, and then there are 3 different designs. So we have 3 different indoor plants featured here, and they are designed in a pattern, in a way where once you cut these out and you want to go ahead and fold this over a oven handle, or put it on a table, or even a drawer handle, fold it basically like this, and then the print for this one example, the Monstera, this would be like displayed like this. So there's 3 different house plants. And we have instructions. Along with instructions is this lovely cut line that is in dash marks, and it is evident, very obvious, that you go ahead and cut because there are little scissors icon on it. And then in my guide, in the directions down below, you can see how you would go ahead and cut this and sew it up. And there are several different options of finishings. I mean, obviously you can go ahead and roll the hem, fold it twice so that you enclose those raw edges, and stitch it down with straight stitch. That is that simple straight stitch that I was talking about. Or you can go ahead and add some fun trims and binding on the edges. Again, it's all listed down there. But while it may be, or at least appear to be, a simple project, this can definitely go in many different directions, and you can be creative in how you finish it. You could also attach it back. If you have a terry cloth, you can do a double-sided type of towel, a nice thick towel. Otherwise, this is just a linen, which is very absorbent. It is a good product to use for your hand towels. And the colors, they are eco-friendly printing. If you're not familiar with spoonflower, you should definitely check them out. And this is the print. So, I hope you like it, and give it a shot. So let's go ahead and show it what it looks like. Half. So this is printed on a full yard. So this is a half a yard right here. You can see what that looks like. And then we flip it over to the other side of the half yard, and you can see there is the third towel and the instructions. So you would be getting 3 hand towels that you would DIY, create yourself. So it's not only a useful product, it is also a creative one. So I hope you like it, and I hope you check it out on Spoonflower at JessDesigned or on my website, which I will include a link